One day in New York. Hello, friends. Today I will tell you a story about Melissa. She is a student and she lives in New York. Many years ago, she dreamed of visiting this city, and now she lives here. She loves this big city. Today is Saturday, and Melissa decides to explore the city. She wakes up early, eats breakfast, and leaves her small apartment. The weather is nice. Melissa takes the subway to Times Square. When she arrives, she sees many bright lights and big screens. There are many people: tourists, workers, and street performers. Some people take pictures, others walk fast. Melissa is relaxed. She smiles. The girl loves the energy of Times Square, so she decides to buy a coffee and sit on the red steps. After some time, she starts walking. She walks down Broadway and then along Fifth Avenue. There are many shops and tall buildings. Melissa sees the Empire State Building in the distance. The streets are busy with yellow taxis and people are in a hurry. Later, Melissa heads to Central Park. She enters the park and suddenly everything is quiet. A girl hears birds and sees people jogging, walking dogs, and riding bicycles. She sits on a bench and watches children play. Melissa walks to the lake and sees small boats, and then she visits Bethesda Terrace. It is beautiful. A musician plays the violin, and she listens for a few minutes. After a long walk, Melissa feels hungry, so she buys a hot dog from a street vendor. It is simple but delicious. The sun starts to go down. Melissa leaves Central Park and takes the subway back home. She is tired but happy. It was a good day in New York. If you like my story, please subscribe and put like. Have you ever visited New York before, or would you like to visit this city one day? Write in the comments. Thank you.